So this is the final section for the discussion of multiple choice in the public exam about the Newtonian principle. Okay, first, question 26. Now, this one means the forward reaction is endothermic, okay, because it is positive, okay? This is endothermic. So, part A, which one is correct? Adding product will increase the Kc? No, for sure, because the Kc value are affected by temperature only. Second one, increased temperature will increase the concentration of product. Yes, because forward reaction is endothermic, just like a air con. So increased temperature, we need more air con, right? This is correct. C, concentration of the reactant must equal to the product. No, for sure, because we have no idea what the value of Kc is. So before any calculation, it is no point for us to discuss something is equal to something. Finally, D, adding HCN and wait for new equilibrium. The concentration will restore to the value before adding. Of course, not correct, right? So, because if restore to the old value of HCN, then how can you guarantee the Kc value is constant, right? So the answer is boy. Question 34. Well, which one is incorrect? First, the reactant equals to product. Okay, sure, this is incorrect. Okay, sure, this is our answer. Okay. The second one, the reaction have stopped. Okay, so you should cross out to don't let us feel confused, right? Of course not, because in equilibrium, the forward and backward reaction always goes on. The 3, the number of mole must double. Okay, again, same problem. Before any calculation, we have no point to discuss this, okay? So how can we for sure that the concentration of reactant should be double to the product, okay? Without knowing the value of Kc. So all of them are incorrect. So D is our answer. Okay, question 26. Okay, this one is exothermic. So if the temperature increase, so first we can expect that more and more backward reaction. Okay. So for the fixed volume, if you increase the temperature, of course the pressure will increase, right? So unchanged is meaningless. The second one, very good. Both forward and backward reaction rate increase because the high temperature will more kinetic energy, whatever, okay? C, equilibrium constant remain unchanged? No, because we have this time changed the temperature already. And the expected yield of product increased to the same extent? No. So the answer is boy. So the reason why D is not correct because the term increase. So if we increase the temperature, because forward reaction is exothermic, this is heater, okay, or warmer. So we don't want more and more forward reaction. So the yield of CO2 and H2 should decrease rather than increase. Okay, that's why it is not correct. Okay, question 31. So again, which of them is correct? So first, CO and Cl2 must in the same concentration. Who said that? Because we have no idea where or what concentration of them at the starting, okay? So how can we conclude that they both have same concentration? 2, the rate of decomposition equals to rate of formation. This is correct because their mole ratio is 1:1, okay? So their rate of decomposition and formation should be the same. Third, the equilibrium constant increase when the okay, again, common mistake, right? equilibrium constant are affected by temperature only. So the answer is boy. Question 35. Okay, at chemical equilibrium state, the forward reaction rate equals to 0. Wrong for sure. So the answer should be C or D because they never stop the reaction, right? At equilibrium state, the reactant will not react to give product. Why? Okay, so again, this is not correct. If they do not react to give product, then where comes the forward reaction rate? So the answer is D. Okay. 35. Increased reaction temperature can increase the yield of all reversible chemical reaction? No. It depends on the forward reaction is exothermic or endothermic or not. Okay. If the forward reaction is exothermic, increased temperature will decrease the yield. Second statement, increased reaction temperature can shorten the time needed to attain equilibrium. This is correct because increased temperature can increase the reaction rate for both forward and backward. That means we only take less time can achieve the equilibrium state, right? So the answer is C. Next, the characteristics for chemical equilibrium. Okay. Catalyst is added, will the equilibrium position change? No, because catalyst won't or not change any concentration for reaction or reactant and products. So catalyst only shorten the time but not change the equilibrium position. Well, this is important, so please pay attention. Second, when equilibrium is attained, both reaction rates are equal. Well, this is correct, right? Very simple. 3 can be attained either direction, of course. Okay, so D is the answer. Okay, because product can turn to reactant, so the equilibrium can achieve in both directions. Question 32. Okay, discuss about the M side, so please pay attention. First, the activity of M side increases with temperature. Oh, really? If the temperature is too high, then the M side may be denatured. Okay, so if you study biology, that will be better, right? Second, the M side facilitates the removal of special kind of dirt. Well, this is correct. Otherwise, what is the point for us to remove or add M side inside? Okay, third, M side can reduce the surface tension. So what is the use of detergent? So the answer should be boy. Okay. Okay, the final one. Catalysts can be used in many industrial processes. Sure. Catalysts will not affect the percentage of product in the equilibrium mixture. This is also correct, but two situations have no relationship between each other, right? Catalyst is used to speed up the reaction rate but not change the equilibrium position. Okay, so for this one, I think the answer is B because the second one is not the correct explanation for the first one. Okay, here is the explanation for all multiple choice in the past paper questions. Okay, maybe we will discuss the long question, okay, in the coming video.